Picture this. It's the height of the Cold War, and two superpowers, the USA and the USSR, are locked in a fierce competition. The year is 1957, and the Soviets stun the world by launching Sputnik 1, the first ever artificial satellite. This event, like a spark, ignites a technological race like no other. The USA counters swiftly, establishing NASA the following year and launching their own satellite, Explorer 1. Fast forward to 1961, and the stakes are raised even higher as Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, becomes the first man to orbit Earth. Not to be outdone, the USA responds with a stunning achievement of their own. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969 lands the first humans, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, on the Moon. These events marked the start of a new era, the space age, and the competition was fierce. The space race didn't just take us to the stars, it also revolutionized technology here on Earth. As the USA and the USSR vied for supremacy in the cosmos, their rivalry fueled a technological revolution. The integrated circuit, a cornerstone of modern electronics, owes its genesis to this era. It miniaturized electronics, making it possible to fit more power into less space. This technology now beats at the heart of everything from smartphones to self-driving cars. Moreover, the space race triggered advancements in satellite technology, forever changing how we interact with our world. The Global Positioning System, or GPS, emerged from this era, transforming navigation and mapping. Satellite technology also revolutionized weather forecasting, giving us a bird's-eye view of atmospheric conditions. And let's not forget its role in the birth of the internet, connecting us in ways we could never have imagined. The space race, while a competition, brought about technological advancements that we now take for granted. As the 20th century drew to a close, a new chapter in space exploration began. The frosty rivalry of the past thawed, giving way to an era of collaboration and unity. The Cold War had ended, and with it, the competitive space race between the USA and the USSR. In 1998, the world witnessed the launch of the International Space Station, a beacon of global cooperation. This extraordinary joint venture brought together 5 space agencies: NASA, Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. The result? An unprecedented era of scientific discoveries and technological advancements. The International Space Station became a symbol of what we can achieve when we set aside our differences and work together. Research conducted aboard the station has led to breakthroughs in medicine, environmental science, and our understanding of the universe itself. The space race has evolved into a space collaboration, with nations working together for the betterment of humanity. As we look to the future, the spirit of exploration continues to thrive. The vision of space exploration is no longer a one-nation race, but a global endeavor with international partnerships leading the way. The Artemis program, an ambitious initiative spearheaded by NASA, aims to return humans to the moon by the late 20s. This time, it's not just about leaving footprints and planting flags, but about sustainable lunar exploration, creating a long-term presence on the moon. And it's not just about the moon. The sights are set even farther, on the red terrains of Mars. The international scientific community is collaborating on plans for manned missions to the Martian surface. Mars has always captivated our collective imagination, and these missions are the first steps in turning those dreams into reality. But it's not just governmental space agencies that are in this game. The future of space exploration is also being shaped by private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin. SpaceX's Starship, designed for missions to Mars, and Blue Origin's New Glenn, aimed at delivering payloads to orbit, are revolutionizing how we reach for the stars. These companies are pushing boundaries, developing reusable rockets, and making space travel more accessible and affordable. The role of private companies also opens up a whole new world of possibilities. From space tourism to asteroid mining, they are not only redefining what's possible but also creating opportunities that were once the realm of science fiction. As we stand on the precipice of a new era in space exploration, we are reminded of the bravery, ingenuity, and spirit of unity that has brought us this far. The journey ahead is exciting and filled with unprecedented opportunities for discovery and innovation. The space race of the past has paved the way for a future of global cooperation and unending discovery. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. From a competition between two superpowers to a global collaboration, the space race has come a long way. We've charted a journey from the intense rivalry of the past, which propelled technological advancements, to today's international camaraderie in exploring the cosmos. As we stand on the cusp of tomorrow, the future of space exploration promises even more partnerships and pioneering missions. As we continue to reach for the stars, one thing is certain: our journey into space is a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and our ceaseless quest for knowledge.